Hello, everybody. Welcome to the virtual open house tonight. My name is Cherry Young. I'm with the Augusta campus of Miller-Motte College, and I'm an admissions representative there.
And my name is Kimberly. I'm in North Carolina in the Raleigh campus, and I am an executive admissions advisor here. And we're so excited to meet you all tonight.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to start with our mission here. The mission of Miller-Motte College is to inspire and empower individuals through education and skill development. To accomplish this mission, we use our core values as a blueprint to create an environment centered on the personal and professional development of students, employees, and employers. And our core values are used to create positive experiences. They are integrity, customer service, innovation, and growth. So we'll dive into the history. In 1916, Wilmington, North Carolina, was established as a training center for courtroom stenographers, and so this was the first campus location. In the 80s, it expanded to Tennessee and evolved to include other programs. Today, Miller-Motte College operates across 7 campuses in 5 states, with online programs offered across the country. In 2025, we joined the Lindenwood education system. In 2021, the main campus redesigned to Miller-Motte College, Chattanooga, and in 2018, acquired by STVT, AAI Education, and joined the Encore Education Network. Accreditation. So we are accredited by the ACCSC or the Accrediting Commission for Career Schools and Colleges. And so with that, a branch campus of Miller-Motte College, Chattanooga, and this is located in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And the ACCSC is located in Arlington, Virginia. Our North Carolina campuses are licensed by the North Carolina State Board of Community Colleges. Miller-Motte is approved by the Board of Governors of the University of North Carolina to confer Associate of Applied Science degrees in Construction and Trades Management, Business Administration, and Criminal Justice. We work to maintain a strong standards across our programs through accreditation, state approvals, licensing requirements, and industry-informed curriculum. Our commitment to quality ensures you receive practical, career-focused training that reflects the skills and standards to use in the workforce. The benefit of short-term career-focused training. So typically with traditional colleges, traditional university, it's between 4 to 6 years. Community college, 2 to 3 years, getting an associate's degree, and with Miller-Motte College is 2 to 20 months there, with an associate in specialized technology. And then we're preparing you to enter into the job market sooner. Here are some reasons for career training. It helps overcome barriers to employment, become more marketable, improve job opportunities, change working conditions, career security, increase your earning potential, improve promotional opportunities, improve benefits, personal fulfillment, and improve self esteem. Financial Services shares information about grants, student loans, and scholarships, discusses available funding options, educates students on responsible borrowing, supports students as they complete financial aid paperwork promptly, and then we do have financial aid for those who qualify, and so the Financial Services team can help you with that process.
In addition to that, we have an education team. They are industry experienced instructors. We provide active hands-on training in a environment, also training on industry-related equipment, student advising, and tutoring support. We provide that extra support for our students so they can really feel the hands-on and understand what we're doing here. Career services team. We have program advisory committees. We have professional development for our students. We offer job search, resume writing, cover letters, and practice interviews to help build their confidence. We also offer student services. We are committed to student success. We connect students with community resources. We support our students with engagement, and we plan their graduation ceremony, which is a huge event that they really enjoy. We have many locations, as Cherry was telling you. We have a campus in Fayetteville, North Carolina, Jacksonville, North Carolina, here in Raleigh. And the programs that are offered at our Fayetteville location would be CDL training, Class A tractor trailer, electrical, heating, ventilation, air condition, and basic refrigeration. We offer combination welding, plumbing, construction and trades management, and medical clinical assistant. At our Jacksonville, North Carolina campus, we offer CDL, we offer construction and trades management, medical clinical assisting, plumbing, heating, ventilation, AC, and basic refrigeration, and of course, electrical. At our Raleigh campus, we offer the CDL Class A tractor trailer, the combination welding, business studies, dental assisting, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and basic refrigeration, and medical clinical assistant. At our Miller-Motte locations in Chattanooga, the difference there is that they are not offering the welding program, but as you can see, they have added surgical technology. So that helps those that are really interested in getting into the medical field, along with the dental assisting. So if you guys have any questions, we are here to help you. Or would like to speak to one of our admissions representative, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to support and guide you. What we are passionate about is helping students. So if you see there, those are our addresses for the different campus locations. And of course, Cherry and I will be happy to share our information if you're located in Raleigh, North Carolina, or Augusta, Georgia. And Cherry, it looks like there's some questions in the chat. Let's take a look. No, I don't see any questions.
Okay, well, thank you all so much for attending, and please don't hesitate to reach out to your respective campus. We appreciate your time today.
Thank you so much for coming. We enjoyed this time with you.